Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove Gemini from your device. First, go and open your Google Play Store, then search for Google Assistant, then open it and it will open the Gemini AI. Now you have to click on the top right corner on your profile picture, then choose Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will find this page. Down below in the bottom, you will find this option, Digital Assistance from Google. Tap on it. Now it will show you two options, Gemini and Google Assistant. You'll find that Gemini is toggled on. You will just have to toggle on Google Assistant, and by this way, you can remove Gemini from your device and use Google Assistant instead. Now, keep in mind that this method will not remove Gemini totally from your device, and this actually cannot be done. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.